Hi, this is Neethu, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, DRSNSRCAS College of Arts and Science. This is my sixth video series, and my topic is microcontroller. The microcontroller is a compact integrated circuit designed to govern a specified operation is an embedded system. It typically included a processor, memory like RAM, ROM, EEPROM, and input-output peripheral on a single chip. And the key components of processor, memory, and integrated peripheral. Popular SoCs in IoT, Raspberry Pi, and the next is Arduino in IoT. Arduino is an open source electronic platform based on easy to use hardware and software. It simplifies the process of building electronics project, making it accessible to both beginners and the professional. Its key features: easy to use, open source, and modularity, simple program environment, and an extensive library support. And the open source is everywhere we use, community driven with an extensive resource tutorial and project example. Modulatory, wide range of capability schedule, add-on board for extending functionality. Common Arduino board in IoT: Arduino UNO, Arduino Nano, Arduino Mega, Arduino MKR series. Based on ATmega MEHA 328P microcontroller, widely used for beginner and basic IoT projects. An application in IoT, prototyping, education, and small scale development. And the board of details, Raspberry Pi. Already we know what is Arduino, and the second one is Raspberry. Raspberry Pi is a small, affordable single board computer designed to prototype teaching of basic computer science. It's a Raspberry Pi 4 and a Raspberry Pi 3 and Raspberry Pi 0. This is a version of Raspberry. Specification, processor, memory and storage, connectivity. We can use the video and audio sounds. IDE programming. It have integrated development environment. It is called IDE. Tony, beginner friendly Python IDE, easy to install and use, built-in support for Python debugging and syntax highlighting. Visual Studio Code VS. VS Code extensible with a wide range of plugin, advanced feature like intelligent debugging and Git iteration. Git interaction. PyCharm, powerful Python IDE with professional features for development, strong support for web framework, scientific tools and testing, setting up the IDE. Install Raspbian on the Raspberry Pi, update the system like Studio update and upgrade, install IDE, shut up apt install Dhoni. Raspberry Pi interfaces. It contains four several types: CPIO, 12C, SPI, UART. GPIO means general purpose input and output. It contains 40 pins header providing digital input and output. Can be used for controlling LED, reading sensor and etc. Pinout include power 3.3V means volt, 5V ground and GPIO pins. It's all contain of pins. 12C integrated in inter-integrated circuit used for connecting low-speed peripheral, and the two-wire interfaces SDA data line, SCL clock line, SPS serial peripheral interfaces, high-speed synchronized data transfer, and four-wire interface MISO, MOSI, SCLK, and SS. MISO means master in slave out, MOSIN master out slave in, SCLK is several clock, and SS slave select. UART means universal autonomous receiver and transmitter. Serial communication interface used for serial debugging and communication with other devices. Raspberry Pi with Python program in IoT. Python comes pre-installed on Raspbian. Updated Python at installed Python 3. Instant PIP for package management, and the GPIO is a controller. Say example for GPIO. This also, and interfacing with the SPI devices. This is an example of SPI devices. And this one is UART devices.